Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable order status notifications on the CEWE application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. That's the home screen, and here you can find the lower bar at the lower side of the home screen, and here you can find the 4 options. Click to the last, the account, and here you can find the general section. Go to the first, the notifications, and here you can find the order status and the products and software updates. If you want to enable the order status notification, just click to the next circle, and if it will be blue, this function will be enabled, and if it will be gray, is disabled. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.